What?
Whose dream? A segment where the listeners at home have to guess which guest had the following dream. I was on stage at a comedy club talking about fucking a club sandwich from Subway. I got a huge pop from the crowd. I followed it up by pretending to call Jared from Subway. He answered, I woke up.
Okay. Let us know down in the comments, who do you think had that dream? Nick or me? just to read it over one more time. Can I see it? I'm sorry, I'm not too familiar with the dream that's being mentioned here. Where is it? So whose dream was it? I was on stage at a comedy club talking about fucking a club sandwich from Subway. Okay, so a club sandwich. What's on it? You worked at Subway for a couple months there. Not insinuating whose dream it was, but you did work at a Subway. What goes in the club sandwich?
I don't fucking know, man. There's a fucking 100 different club sandwiches. Almost every type of hot or cold sub there was a club type of sandwich.
That sounds like someone that's pretending that this isn't their dream would say. But okay, so this was a joke about fucking a club sandwich. It's kind of like that one video on the hub, you know, the hub of that guy that fucks the McChicken. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, I heard you talk about that.
So, and then I followed it up by pretending to call Jared from Subway. He answered. So, in the dream, did you have Jared from Subway's phone number already? Or did you just type a random number in the phone, like pretending to like call someone, and then from the phone, Jared from Subway appeared? He's probably getting fucked like a club sandwich in there these days, huh?
Oh, I bet you
he's probably getting split like a meatball sub.
I was about to say, he's a turk. He's a stuffed turkey sandwich down there.
Extra mayo.
Extra light mayo.